Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how can you download WinSCP. So for downloading it, you have to open any web browser. So let me open here Google Chrome. So now here on the web browser, search here for the WinSCP. So here you can see the WinSCP official site is showing. Now click on it. So now scroll down. So here is a button, download WinSCP. Now click on it. Now close the ad. And here you can see the downloading will start shortly. So it is now downloading. Will take a few seconds to download. So as you can see here, the downloading has been completed. Now double click it to launch the installer. So now click on this, install for all users. So if any pop-up shows on your screen, click on yes. Now you have to accept the terms and condition. If you want to read them, you can scroll down and read. Then click on accept. Then again click on next. Click on next. Now click on install. So here you can see it is now installing. So as you can see here, the WinSCP has been installed. Now click on finish and just wait a minute. The WinSCP will launch in few seconds. So as you can see here, it is now launched on my computer. So this is how you can download WinSCP and launch it. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.